Welcome to this 2021 Newmar New Aire 3541, a beautifully designed luxury diesel pusher that delivers the craftsmanship Newmar is known for in a compact 35-foot coach. As you approach the exterior, the first thing that stands out is the stunning masterpiece full paint finish with Suri graphics, giving the coach a deep, high-gloss look that has been protected with a ceramic coating. Stepping inside, you are welcomed by elegant Sable Maple high-gloss cabinetry and the Suri interior decor, creating a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. The heated tile flooring adds comfort throughout the coach. Moving into the kitchen, this space is designed to be both beautiful and functional. You will find a residential refrigerator with ice maker, a convection microwave, and a portable induction cooktop that provides efficient and precise cooking. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the convenient dishwasher drawer, making this coach ideal for extended trips or full-time living. Continuing toward the rear, the bathroom features a spacious shower with an assist handle for added safety and comfort. In the bedroom, relaxation takes center stage. A custom king mattress built specifically for this coach provides exceptional comfort, while surrounding cabinetry offers generous storage for longer journeys. Up front in the cockpit, the driver and passenger enjoy premium seating and excellent visibility. The dash features the XITE high-definition 360-degree camera system along with integrated navigation and dual monitors. Back outside, this coach continues to impress with thoughtful features designed for both comfort and convenience at the campsite. This New Aire is also an all-electric coach, powered by an 8-kilowatt Onan diesel generator, a 3,000-watt inverter, and 8 AGM house batteries. The energy management system and auto generator provide reliable power management, whether you are traveling or parked. To view all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.